Hello, in this video we're going to tackle a metal structure project step by step and by examples. Our main goal in this study is metal structure, and the concrete parts will get modeled as an element, not the rebar parts. The point about this study is that we are going to do this with BIM system. This project is about metal surfaces and it is roughly 35 floors. And any kind of connection that you need exists in this project, and that helps you to become an expert in Revit structuring, especially for metal structure projects. Now I'm going to explain you briefly about the lessons we are going to study. First is how to receive a project from your employer. Next is how to make it ready and finding the base point in the AutoCAD file. And surveying the primal files, presenting a report of ambiguities in the file, creating a template in Revit software, making a level, getting acquainted with managing system in BIM, modelizing the pillars, the walls, the stairs and the ramp, the connection, the details, putting them in meters and sheets, and how to examine your works with Naviswork, and many other important points that you will learn in this course. Pay attention that these elements are going to be built in family form, and you will get much better in building families. Please follow this course chronologically and get better. So let's begin.